Hi everyone, welcome to Irrational Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 arithmetic progression related questions. Let's start. Find the 30th term of an AP. Okay, so 10, 7, 4. The first term, okay, A value is 10. Common difference, D value is what? 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. Don't forget this minus 3. And what they are asking, A30 they are asking. A30 value they are asking, and N value also they give. What is that? 30. Right? What is the formula to find out the 30th term? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. A30 equal to, what is the A value? 10 plus N value is what? 30. 30 minus 1 into D is what? Minus 3. So let me write it in bracket so that I won't get any confusion. So 10 plus 29, 30 minus 129 into minus 3. So 29 into 3, what I'll get? 29 into 3. 9 3s are 27, 2. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 87. Now look at here. 10 here plus into minus 29 into 3 87. So 10 minus 87 is minus 77. This is the answer. So therefore A30 value equal to minus 77. If you see this AP term is what? 10, 7, 4, it is decreasing, right? So you'll get negative value. Next, find the number of terms in this AP series. Let me write down A value. A value is what? 7. D value is what? 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, you can find it out, or 19 minus 13 also okay. What I'll get here? 6. AN value they give. AN value they give. How much? 205. What we are supposed to find out? N value we are supposed to find out. So what is the formula? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value they already gave 205. A value is what? 7 plus N minus 1. N value we don't know. What is the D value? D value is what? 6. So first what I'll do is I'll transpose this 7 to this side. So this becomes 205 minus 7 equal to N minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7 is what? 198 equal to N minus 1 into 6. Now N minus 1 and 6 both are in multiplication, right? I'll transpose this 6 to this side. So this becomes what? 198 by 6 equal to N minus 1. Instead of this side, I'll write down the left hand side. Okay, 6 table. 6 3s are 18. 1 left. 1 and 8, 18 again. 6 3s are 18. So what I got? N minus 1 value is what? 33. N equal to what? 33 plus 1. So N equal to what? 34. Find the number of terms. Therefore, the number of terms of the given AP is the number of terms of the given AP is of the given AP is N equal to 34. So 34 terms. You have to write down in the end. Don't forget this. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. First, 11th term. A 11 equal to what? 38. If you remember, formula is what? A n equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Into d. Here, if n is there, here what will get here? N minus 1 is there. So if you observe here what is n equal to what? 11 is there. So what I can write down here? A plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1, 10 d equal to 38. Let me take it as equation 1. Next one, what they give 16th term. A 16th equal to 73. 16 is there, right? So what I can write down here? A plus n minus 1. Here 16 minus 1 is what? 15. D equal to 73. This is my equation 2. Let me solve, because we are having linear equation in two variables. Two linear equation in two variables we have. We'll solve it. We'll get a and d value. Those are our values. Now a plus 15 d equal to 73. A plus 10 d equal to 38. Below equation I'll multiply with minus. I'm using the elimination method. Okay. So whichever you feel comfortable, you can use either elimination or substitution. A and minus A gets cancelled. 15d minus 10d, 5d. So 73 minus 38. So it is 13, right? So what I'll get here? 5 I'll get here. 1 carried, right? So you'll have 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So 35. D equal to 35 by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So I got D value. Now let me substitute in any of this equation. I'll get a value. A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38, or A equal to 70 equal to 38. A value equal to what we get here? 38 minus 70. So from smaller number you are subtracting bigger number, right? Definitely you'll get a negative. Let me find out what we'll get. So 0 is there, I'll carry forward here. 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now since we carried, right, we'll have 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So my A value I'll get is what? Minus 32. So here note down this A value equal to what? Minus 32. With this we are not yet done, because they are asking us to find out what? 31st term. A 31st. Okay. A value is what? Minus 32 plus, okay, 31 minus 1 into D value is what? 7. So minus 32 plus 31 minus 1, 30 into 7 minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21 to 10 value. From this 210 we have to subtract what? 32. From here I'll okay, 10 I'll carry forward. 10 minus 2, 8 I'll get I'll take these two digits, 20 now, right? 20 minus 3, 17. So answer is what? 178 is the 31st term of an AP. Next, check whether minus 150 is a term of an AP. Same thing, whenever AP related chapter comes, the first thing you need to do is write down the A value. From this A is 11, D value is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. A n value they already give, that is minus 150. Okay, we have to find n, and the n has to be positive integer. If you get fraction or if you get negative, then that whatever the term they are saying, right, that won't be part of that series, right? So same thing. What is the formula? A n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A n what they give, minus 150, equal to a value 11, n we don't know, n minus 1, d they give minus 3. I'll transpose this 11 to this side. Minus 150 minus 11 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3, minus 161 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. I'll transpose this to this side. Minus 161 by minus 3, so equal to n minus 1. If you observe here, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Since 161 is not divisible by 3, n is not an integer. N, what I'll write down, n is not an integer. Okay, so what will get here, 161 by 3. This minus 1, if I transpose, I'll get 1. So this becomes what, 161, 3 into 1, 3 by 3. So 164 by 3. This is also if you want to check 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 3 is also not divisible by 3. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of the given AP, not a term of, of AP or given AP can write down 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Next, the sum of the fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24, and the sum of sixth and 10th term is 44. Fourth term plus eighth term sum, right? So fourth term, eighth term sum is what, 24. A4 means what, is nothing but what, A4 means A plus 3D. A8 means what, A plus 7D equal to 24. If I simplify this one, A plus A 2A, 3D plus 7D 10D equal to 24. Let me take it as equation 1. Next, sixth, sum of sixth term and 10th term is 44. A6 means what, A plus 5D plus A10 means what, A plus 9D equal to 44. This A and this A becomes 2A. 5D plus 9D 14D equal to 44. This is my equation 2. Okay, I'll solve this equation 1 and equation 2 to get my A and D values. So let me write down here 2A plus 14D equal to 44. 2A plus 10D equal to 24. This becomes minus minus minus. 2A minus 2A gets cancelled. 14D minus 10D 4D. 44 minus 24 0, and 4 minus 2 2. D equal to what, 20 by 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are. I got my D value. Okay, I'll substitute in any of this equation to get my, so 2A plus I'll substitute in equation 1. Okay. So 10 into D is what? 5 equal to 24 2A 10 into 5 50 equal to 24 2A equal to 24 minus 50. So it is like minus 26. A value is what? Minus 26 by 2. 2 ones are 2 13s are. So A value is what? Minus 13. Right? So now since I got A value and D value, they are asking me to find out the first three terms. So A plus D and A plus 2D. Okay, and so on. But we'll write only first three terms, right? So A value is what? Minus 13. Minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Okay. Minus 5 minus 3. So on. Right? So these are the three terms, first three terms of the given AP. I hope you understood, and if you have doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.